Good morning, William here with Ibexx. We're going to show you the new Pro XP clutch kit. We have the helix, we have the weight kit, which includes your magnets and weights, and the spring. And these are the tools you'll need for installation. 1/8 inch Allen wrench, a T50 Torx, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, a 3/8 socket with a thin wall, some extensions, and a ratchet as needed. You will also need the spring compression tool. Start with an 8mm. Take your cover bolts off. Loosen your clamp and the clamp up in the top. Clutch cover on. Need to have a belt tool. You can use the factory one or the cool Ibexx one. Take your belt off, place it for later use. It's a 15mm socket. Good. Be careful, there's a whole bunch of little shims in there, don't lose those. Pull this secondary clutch off. They just pull apart, split the halves. Now we need to take our compression tool. Take your T50 Torx. Remove the 3 rear bolts and unwind. Lift the back sheave off. The spring retaining washer. Make sure that it goes back in the sheave. Pull your spring out. Verify that it has the 160/260 spring. If it does not, contact Ibexx. Pull your factory helix out, set it aside. Set the Ibexx helix in and reassemble. Once again, make sure this gets back in there like this. And finally your sheave. Try and center it up before you crank it down to make it easier once you get to the bottom. Make sure it slides on easy. If it catches, then it's misaligned. Restart your bolts. You may need to twist the helix or the sheave a little bit just to make sure that they start. And reinstall. Make sure you torque these to spec. Go ahead and, well, just leave these aside, but you can put them together. Set aside until we're ready to reinstall. You're going to want a 10mm socket, and we'll take the spring cover off the primary clutch. Remove all but one bolt, and then grab hold and give it a good squeeze to hold the spring in place. And remove the last bolt. Slowly let it out. Pull the factory spring out. And we'll set that aside. We won't be using it again. Now, we'll work on the Ibexx weight installation. Load these according to your instructions based on your altitude, horsepower, and tire size. You will need the 1/8" Allen and the thin-walled 3/8 socket, and possibly some extensions. Start by removing the factory weights. When you do this, only rotate the engine forward, which is counterclockwise. Push it open, slide your bolt out. Remove the factory weight. Place the Ibexx weight inside here. When you tighten these down, make sure you torque them to spec. Over tightening them will destroy the pins and risk breaking. And repeat 3 times. All right, weights are installed. Now, take the primary spring included in the Ibexx kit. Slide it on. Pull the sheave open. Inspect for the X. See the X right here? Look for the X on the spider, and then look for the X on the cover, and line those up. Make sure they're in the same spot. Slide it together. Start your bolts. When you tighten these up, tighten 2 opposite ones, just a small amount at a time, to make sure you don't bind up the bushing. And then you can tighten the rest up. Check your torques using a torque wrench. now we can reinstall the secondary. There's a green dot. Oops, excuse me. There's a green dot. There's also a green dot on the back side. You want to line those up. So. Sometimes you need to place it in gear just so you can spin the clutch. And it goes together. Now, reinstall your bolt. These little thin shims go in first. This adjusts your belt deflection. They slide in there, but they like to fall out. So I like to kind of push the washer in to hold it. Go in, start your bolt. And torque to spec. Reinstall your belt. When you install the belt, you want to always make sure you can read the words that are on the belt to reinstall it. Slide it over the primary first. You have to slip it in from the bottom side and then over the top. Oops. Take it out of gear first, it's easier. Last but not least, reinstall your clutch cover. Line up your bolts and make sure you start them all before you tighten it down. Be sure to tighten all the bolts and both clamps. Torque to spec.